In the US alone, approximately 180 million people currently own a smartphone. That's an impressive 73% saturation of the entire population. But did you know that every month, smartphone users download an average of 8.8 apps? And they aren't just downloading social media apps and games anymore. They are increasingly connecting with the companies they prefer through customized business apps. As a result, these companies achieve more brand awareness, increase sales, and impressive revenue hikes. The problem is that most small business owners lack the experience and skills they need to create their own apps. That's where we come in. Our team of experienced mobile marketing professionals can develop an impressive interactive app for your business that will help you engage your audience more directly. Effortlessly stay right at your customers' fingertips and increase your profits with your own mobile app. Contact us today.